Okay guys, it's Hot Wheeler 04 here again, and this is a license plate finding. So this is obviously not how I normally start my videos if you have been watching me. So to act what this full story about this hubcap was, license plate was that I found this license plate and I used this camera and filmed it, but when I only came back and just realized that it never filmed, so I'm gonna react the So I'm gonna go back to the place and refilm like how I found it. So again, the A part was missing, so I painted and turned thing with paints like my other license plates I do that are broken. So yeah, it's repainted into a shape A. So you're gonna see how I'm gonna react the scene. Yeah, so people, it's Hot Wheeler 04 here with another license plate finding. So again, as you can see, this is a reacted video, so do not dislike. It's reacted, not or the original way I found it, but this is the place where I found it and how it looked like when I found it. So again, I wouldn't be talking any much, but just pretending that I found this license plate. Okay, so it's a license plate here on. I'm not sure what the license plate number is. It's PNA 9928. So it's a brand new license plate, and the license plate number now is only up to PND, and it's PNA, which is pretty new. So it's off a Proton with a Proton frame, Proton.com, and it says it's in the drive. So it's in front of people's house, and yeah. So obviously, as I mentioned, it's a rainy season. A few weeks ago, and hubcaps, license plates and hubcaps fall off, and this one is using double-sided tape when they should be using screws like there are holes here. But so yeah, water plus double-sided tape means it falls off. So yeah, that's how I got this license plate. So as again I mentioned, it was broken here. I used paint and painted it. Anyway, thanks for watching.